Hey, it's Mark. It's fall, and I've noticed that some of the deciduous trees in this area that I'm driving through are beginning to lose their leaves. They're starting to appear as if they're dead, but for the most part, they're not really dying. They're simply going dormant for the winter. Come spring, they're going to pop back up. About a week ago, a hospital at which I've had many clients practice in the past filed bankruptcy. It's fall. Whether it's simply dormant and is going to reopen, or unlike most of the trees that are going dormant, it's actually going to die, it's unclear right now. But that facility, that dormant facility, presents opportunities. Unlike the tree, which, if it survives winter, and the chances are good it's going to survive winter, it's going to come back as a tree, the same tree, right? Nice new leaves, maybe some new blossoms, but it's going to be a tree. The hospital, on the other hand, whether it survives or whether it dies, can come back in a far different way. And especially in terms of the opportunities that present itself for that facility to come back in an even bigger way, say as a multiplex facility, are tremendous for those who are willing to take a chance with what can spring forth from the fall of the previous incarnation of that facility. So think about that. Facilities are not on a track like a train. They're not even like large ships, which could take a long time to turn. Sometimes those facilities can be turned quickly, and they can be turned into something new, something better, something more profitable, something far better run, something far more entrepreneurial. If you're interested in going on that journey, let me know.